Welcome back to Rajeshwari Deals as we explore the Philips HL7579/00 Turbo Juicer Mixer Grinder. This 600W Turbo Juicer Mixer Grinder features 3 versatile jars for all your juicing, grinding, and blending needs. Let's talk features. The powerful 600W motor ensures efficient blending and grinding, while the unique turbo feature delivers an extra boost when you need it. The jars are designed for optimal performance, with sharp stainless steel blades that handle everything from tough ingredients to soft fruits with ease. With the Nutri Juicer jar, you can whip up fresh juices in seconds, retaining all the nutrients and flavors, while the blend and carry jar is perfect for making smoothies to take with you, ensuring you never have to skip your healthy habits even on busy days. Let's see how well it handles some common ingredients. One of the best parts about the Philips HL7579/00 is its user-friendly design. It's easy to assemble and operate, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. And when it comes to cleaning, the jars and blades are dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time on cleanup. Users are raving about the performance and versatility of this juicer mixer grinder, and at a price of just $5,009, it offers fantastic value for those who want to make healthy living easier and more delicious. Let's take a look at some testimonials. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen appliance collection, click the link in the description to purchase the Philips HL7579/00 Turbo Juicer Mixer Grinder. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing product reviews and kitchen tips.